Imagine transforming your iPhone into a more personalized, efficient, and powerful device overnight. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover how iOS 18 is set to revolutionize your iPhone experience. Today, September 16th, marks the rollout of Apple's biggest operating system update for iPhones, iOS 18. This update brings a host of new features that will change the way you use your iPhone. One of the standout features of iOS 18 is the enhanced customization options for your home screen and lock screen. You can now rearrange apps and widgets freely and change their appearance to suit your style. The redesigned Control Center and the new Password Management app are set to make your iPhone more user-friendly and secure than ever before. In Messages, you'll find enhanced text effects that make your conversations more lively. The revamped Photos app and improved organization tools in the Mail app are also noteworthy additions. However, the highly anticipated Apple Intelligence features, like text rewriting and image generation, won't be available in the initial release. These AI-powered tools will come with the iOS 18.1 public beta in October. Alongside iOS 18, Apple is also releasing macOS Sequoia, watchOS 11, and visionOS 2 today. Each brings exciting new features to their respective devices, enhancing the Apple ecosystem. Before you download iOS 18, make sure your iPhone is ready. Free up storage space by deleting unused apps and clearing cached data from social media apps like WhatsApp and Instagram. Don't forget to back up your iPhone to safeguard your data. Use iCloud or a local backup on your Mac or Windows PC for added security. Once the update is available, connect to Wi-Fi and ensure your iPhone is fully charged. Go to Settings, General, Software Update to download iOS 18. Get ready to experience a whole new level of iPhone functionality.